One of the things na I discovered when I first traveled dito sa Visayas, nung papunta kami ng Bantayan, may makikita ka sa kahit anong kainan lagi, or madalas at least, is may nakapaskil dyan, tinola. So tayo, Tagalog, you would think it's chicken tinola. Pero pagbukas mo nung kanilang malaking-malaking kawa na ganon, makikita mo sabaw ng isdang tinola. I have here yung ating lemongrass. And of course, yung aromatics natin, including ginger. And bago ko ilagay yung ating fish, I'll make sure na ready muna yung broth natin. Gusto ko pag nilagay na natin yung karne ng ating tinola dish, i-absorb na lang niya yung nabuo nating sabaw. So, yung ating lemongrass with our ginger. I'll also put in our onions, our tomatoes, and garlic. Season na lang din natin ng fish sauce pa. And then kapag makikita natin na medyo malambot na yung kamatis natin, finish off lang natin yung timpla ng ating base. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating fish. So makikita natin yung kulay ng ating stock. May shade na yan ng green. And ito na nga, medyo naghihiwalay na rin yung ating kamatis. I'm just gonna add in yung ating oyster mushroom. And then we'll just bring this to boil. Tapos lalagay na natin lahat ng iba pa nating ingredients. So tanggalin lang natin yung isang bugkos ng ating tanglad. Then lagay na natin yung ating mga gulay. Natin yung petchoy natin, malunggay, tsaka toge. And lagay na rin natin yung ating malasuge.